Three things to think about when cooking a big lump of venison on an open fire. Cook it hot, cook it well, cook it slow. Build your cooking structure simple but strong, with all the work it's taken to get your meats, to dress your meats. You don't want your tripod or your spit collapsing, dunking that meat into the fire or into the mud. And the third thing is think about the 5-second rule. The meat should be at a level where your hand can take flame heat for 5 seconds or so, and then you gotta snatch your hand back. If it's hotter than that, the meat will burn on the outside and not cook on the inside. Finally, your fire, forget the big flames and roaring fire, let that happen first. And when it settles down into this hot, static red ember base with small flames, big logs, that's what you're looking for.